In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best deals on eBay. Whether you're hunting for rare collectibles or just looking to save a bit on that next purchase, these strategies can help you find what you're looking for at a price that suits your budget. First, let's start by utilizing the advanced search feature along with its robust set of filters. If you haven't already, log into your eBay account and proceed to type in the item you're searching for. Instead of hitting search, go ahead and click on advanced search. This opens up a suite of options that can give you the upper hand in your bargain hunts. Utilize filters like buy it now, auction ending soon, or listings that accept offers. Additionally, it's wise to check sold items, which can provide insight into an item's market value before you commit to bidding on it. Once you have set your filters, you're ready to browse expiring listings. In the search results, glance towards the top right corner and click the Sort button. Set this to time ending soonest. This simple adjustment allows you to focus on listings that are about to end, giving you a chance to swoop in with strategic bids. Often, sellers looking to quickly clear inventory may be more amenable to lower bids as their auctions near expiration. Another effective tactic is searching for misspelled listings. Occasionally, sellers might accidentally list items with typos in their descriptions or titles. For this, tools like fatfingers.com can be incredibly handy. Searching for typical misspellings such as Enki Air Max instead of Nike or PlayStation instead of PlayStation can uncover hidden listings that others might not find, increasing your chances of snagging a deal. Next, let's talk about making offers, even on low-priced items. While browsing, keep an eye out for listings that include the make offer option. This feature allows you to propose a price that's typically around 10 to 25% below the asking price. When making an offer, it can be beneficial to include a polite message. Although optional, a courteous approach may leave a positive impression on the seller, potentially increasing the likelihood of your offer being accepted. So there you have it. These strategies should set you well on your way to discovering some incredible deals on eBay. Remember, patience and persistence are key when hunting for bargains. Happy shopping, and I hope you find exactly what you're looking for at a price that makes you feel like you've gotten the best deal.